Go!
Do not shoot the camera guy, for God's sakes.
No, you get in second.
Is that the camera?
Yeah.
Hey, wait.
Okay, guys, listen up. Running straight across the hallway.
Got you.
Shot.
What's up?
Should I play? I don't know. I
No. Camera guy, don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Break. 1, 2.
Camera guy, do not shoot.
Don't do it.
Got our spectators. Boy, I swear to God. Camera guy going through the door. Do not shoot. Don't shoot.
1, 2, 3. Just go in there.
Camera guy.
What?
Grab him. I'm gonna kill him.
Camera guy.
Watch that front door. Watch that front door. Jason, go block the front door. Make sure no one's coming.
Just like blocking it. I'll turn it off if it needs to.
That gun is not on the right there. Let's move. Go the doors.
Hey.
No, not me, you.
Don't shoot through the door. Camera guy coming through. Don't shoot.
Respawning. This is a hell of a lot better. It's not so crazy. 1, 2, 3. Cover fire. Dylan, cover fire. Down the door. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh! Wait! Up again. Can you take a picture of what we do?
No one comes through this door.
Friendly referee.
Okay? This door stays in that
Here.
Mask.
Somebody's in that corner. No, somebody's right here.
This door.
Got it? Okay.
How things going up there? Hi.
Good. You want your next shot?
I'm coming up there. Oops. There's some people over there. You can't see them. So I know Tom. No, I'm kidding.
You know, maybe you should be a war journalist. They got jobs for that.
I should. I'm a good camera guy.
Frank West, you know. I've covered wars.
How's it going, Brendan? We're pushing off this cliff.
Oh.
Is that a suppressor? Holy shit, that's pretty cool. Derek, what you doing?
You put this on YouTube, Goff?
Heck yeah, I have a channel of it all.
I know you.
Okay, I was about to say. Yeah, I'm putting it on YouTube.
Can I shoot you in the...
Hell no.